Hi, I'm Kim, the Digital Resources Programmer here at Central Arkansas Library System. Would you like to learn to write code, but perhaps you aren't sure where to start? I'm excited to show you a great new tool that's free with your library card. Fiero Code. Fiero Code is a database that focuses on learning coding skills. And while many of the activities are geared towards a younger audience, anyone can use it, especially if you're just starting out with code. This gamified online platform is designed for self-guided learning, and it features a variety of programming languages like Scratch, HTML, JavaScript, and Python. Let me show you how to access Fiero Code from the COWS website. Head to cows.org, hover over the Learn tab, click All Research Tools. Under Tools A to Z, click Education. Scroll until you find Fiero Code and click View Tool. Click Go to Fiero Code. Sign into your account. If it's your first time using it, make sure to sign up for an account, and you're in. Now that we've logged in, let's take a look around. Here on the home page, you'll find a number of tabs at the top: Learn, Create, Events, Contests, and Gear. Let's take these one at a time. If you click the Learn tab, you will find a menu with 3 options: Pathways, Courses, and Challenges. Think of pathways like a roadmap. These are coding journeys tailored to specific goals, like becoming a game developer or a web developer. You can see the estimated time for each journey and how many courses are included. As of right now, the only pathway that provides a certificate when completed is the web developer pathway. Under Courses, you'll find the library of all available courses, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner. You can find specific modules on languages like Python, or even dive into code-related topics like robotics. Once you start to get comfortable with coding, you may want to check out Challenges. Here, you can practice your coding skills by completing projects. There are 3 levels of projects: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. If you want to get more creative and make your own projects, then check out the Create section. In this section, you can apply what you've learned and test your code in Fiero Code's built-in development environment. In the Events tab, you can find live virtual events hosted by Fiero Code. The topics and timing vary, so be sure to check out what's coming up so you can join in live. If you can't make it, be sure to look below at the past virtual events. Before we head to my favorite tab, let's check out the tab called Gear. This is where you can design your avatar. You'll unlock more parts and more customization options as you complete courses and challenges. Finally, let's look at my favorite tab, Contests. This is where you find contests that are held by Fiero Code. There are 3 contests each year, with 7 winners altogether among the age brackets. For each contest, there are 3 winners for ages 8 through 12, 3 winners for ages 13 through 18, and 1 first place winner for ages 18 up. Try it out for yourself. Fiero Code's high quality content makes it fun and easy for first-time coders of any age. However, if you have any questions on how to use this resource, please be sure to contact us at askcows@cows.org or call 501-918-3000. Now go begin your coding journey.